Hello everyone, it's Setsu and I'm finally back on YouTube. Today I will be doing a dark and glossy look. Let's go! This lovely wig is from Feshfen and you can use my discount code SweetieSetsu on their website. I'm wearing pearl grey from TTDI. First, I'm applying my makeup base from Innisfree. Then I'm using this foundation stick from ABH and I'm blending it with a wet beauty blender. Same process now with my concealer. To set everything, I'm using a free powder from Innisfree. I'm using an angled brush to draw the eyebrows and I'm using this clear brow gel to give more dimension. Before using any eyeshadow, I'm applying this eye primer. It really makes the color pops. With a fluffy brush, I'm gonna use the color Dream It from the Elisa Edward palette from ABH and gently blend it around my eyeball area and also under my lower lashes. Next, with this cream color, I'm gonna fill my eyelid with it and blend it with the blue color by also using black eyeshadow. Now I'm just applying my mascara on my top and my bottom lashes. And then it's time for big dolly eyes. Then I'm applying my blush really high on my cheeks and nose, and yeah, there is never too much blush anyway. I am applying my highlighter on the same zone and also on my cupid bow. Next, I'm going to draw a small crescent moon on here, and I tried my best even if I was shaking like crazy. Using some tweezers, strass and eyelash glue, I'm gonna do some shiny freckles. For my lips, I'm using this lovely lipstick from NYX. Now it's time for the glossy eyelids. With a flat brush, I apply a knob of gloss on my eyelid and blend the outwards with a fluffy brush. Finally, I'm using my setting spray to fix everything and it's done. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe because more content is coming on this channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye!